Welcome to our guide for admins on setting up Deprovision notifications and emails in Okta. There are two important settings in your Okta org that need enabling. This will make sure deprovisioning alerts and emails are sent correctly. Let's start. Go to the Okta admin dashboard. Here, navigate to Settings, then Account. Scroll down to Admin Email Notifications. Now, click Edit. In the System Notifications section, look for the User Deprovisions option and select it. Then click Save. Next, head to Customization and choose Other. Scroll down to the deprovisioning workflow. Here, click Edit. Your final step is to select Enable Deprovisioning Workflow. Once you do that, click Save to finish. And that's it. You've successfully set up deprovision notifications and emails in Okta. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.